Tootsie Roll, let me see your egg roll. Your egg roll. Hi, and welcome back to Bear Food Kitchen. I am Tina Bear. If you are new to our channel, hit the like, subscribe, and the bell so you get all of our recipes when we post them. We'd love to hear from you. Leave us a comment. Today we are making a deconstructed egg roll. Super easy, super fast. We're just going to go ahead and add a little bit of oil, about 2 tablespoons oil. And I am using ground chicken. You could use ground turkey. You could use beef, whatever you prefer. I prefer the chicken. It's a little bit leaner, cooks really fast. Gonna go ahead and get that in there. Now, we're not gonna really brown it in the Instapot. We're gonna throw everything in and put the lid on it, and in a few minutes it'll be done. We're going to add a little bit of salt, maybe a half a teaspoon, and about a teaspoon of pepper. Now I have a ton of garlic. I'm just going to keep pouring and hope more comes out, because more is better. I love it. Then we're also going to be adding a ton of ginger. You could use fresh ginger. This is already prepared ginger, shaved down for me. And we're adding some onion. This is green onion, and it is the whites of the green onion. So we're saving the green part of the green onion for garnish. Gonna go ahead and stir that up. I'm not too worried about it being combined, because when I put the Instapot on, all the juices will come together. Oh, looks so good. We're gonna put in some soy sauce. And we have some chicken stock. And we have some sesame seed oil. Now it looks a little soupy, but we are going to be adding more veggies. We're going to add some carrots and some cabbage in here. It's going to soak up all the juices, condense down. So I'm going to turn off sauté for 2 minutes. Then we'll come back. We're going to quick release it, add some veggies to it. It's going to be delicious. So I went ahead and I did a quick release as soon as the time was up. Check it out. It's beautiful and bubbly. I turned it on to sauté because we're going to add the rest of the veggies in. First, we're going to add about 1.5 cups of shoestring carrots. You could chop carrots too. Chop them up, put them in there. That would be good too. Or peas. Peas would be good. But it's an egg roll. So we're going to put those in there. We're going to add some water chestnuts. I like these because they keep their crunch. Super delicious. I wish you could smell this. It's so yummy. Just like that. And then I have 1 bag of prepared coleslaw. This one is the mixed one with the red cabbage in it also. A little bit of carrot and some white cabbage. Now it looks like a lot, but it's going to shrink down, and then it won't be enough because then you're going to want more. So good. I'll put that in, stir it up. Now, as soon as the cabbage shrinks down, you could go ahead and serve it, or if you like it a little bit softer, or you like the carrots a little bit more tender, you could go ahead and put the lid on, let it cook for another 5 minutes, be nice and soft. I like mine a little crunchy, just like that. Now you can see it shrunk down, still a little crunchy. Let me see if I could get a carrot. See, a carrot's still crunchy but hot. The sauce is delicious. So I'm gonna have mine like this because I do like it crunchy. And then as it sits, it'll absorb more moisture. I made some rice. So good. Ooh, I need a better spoon, because I want all that juice. I want all that juice up there. Look at that. Does that look delicious? We could put a little bit of green onion, or a lot of bit of green onion, because I like green onion. Looks like a little dome of heaven. So good. Just needs a little bit more sauce. Thank you. Our little helpers, kitchen helpers. She's the queen of the kitchen. Oh, look at that. That is heaven. Heaven on a plate right here. Couple minutes, you're done. Go ahead and turn this off. Now, honestly, if you are busy and you have these ingredients on hand, you can make a meal in just a few minutes. We got a big piece of chicken. What? It's gonna be hot. It's gonna be hot. Mm-hmm. That was so amazing, so good. When they're left over, even better because they absorb all the flavor. This is mine, but I hope you try it. Let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. Love to hear from you. See you next time. Bye.